Good morning, student. Welcome to Asa National English School and Good Shepherd Education Center. I am Asha Agnotri. I will teach you computer online class for class 8 student. आप लोग का सेकंड चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया था, एक्सरसाइज हो गई उसकी. आज हम लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर करते हैं इसके. ऑनलाइन क्लास 8 स्टूडेंट, लेसन 2 टॉपिक है स्टार्टिंग विद MSSS 2010. First question, what is database? Give some example. Answer, database is a collection of data organized in a manner that allow easy access, retrieval and use of data. For example, telephone directory, student data, company data, etc. Second question, what is record? A record is a group of related fields. For example, a student record include a set of fields about one student. Third question, write the difference between manual and computerized database. मैनुअल database और computerized database में difference बताना है. Manual database, a manual database you might record data on paper and store it in a filing cabinet. Computerized database, a computerized database using a database software. Use can add, change and delete data in the database, sort and retrieve data from the database and create from and report using the data in the database. Fourth question, explain the component of database. Answer, component of a database. Field is a single column or a unit in a table with unique name. Record, a record is a group of related fields. For example, a student record, a set of fields about one student. Table are the place where all the information in your database is stored in the form of row, records and columns fields. Table structure, a table structure is created before creating any table that identifies the name, size and type of various fields. Data sheet, by default each table has a spreadsheet grid called a data sheet. Form are like dialog box that prompt for field entries and used to make data entry more convenient. Filter, it is often useful to display a filtered view of a table. Query, you are create a query which is like a saved filter. Query also enable you to combine data from multiple related tables into a single database of results. Reports present data from table and queries in an attractive, customized header and footer and even logos and graphics. Fifth question, what is the use of field type? Explain any three commonly used of field type. Answer, field type, the database field type determine what kind of data can be stored in each field. These are different field type in a SS. First, text. A short text field contain letter, number and symbol. The number in a text field are considered as text and cannot use for calculation. It can store up to 255 characters. For example, A1, 13, R3, etc. Second, number. The type store number data that you can use in calculation. It can also hold symbols such as decimal point and commas. Third, auto number. Store a sequential number for each record. Sixth question, what do you understand by RDBMS? Answer, RDBMS stand for Relational Database Management System, and RDBMS is a DBMS designed specifically for relational database. A relational database refers to database that store data in a structured format using row and column. 7th question. Write a short note on MS Access 2010. Answer. Microsoft Access is a database management system, DBMS, from Microsoft that combine the relational Microsoft Jet database engine with a graphical user interface and software development tool. Microsoft Access store data in it on format based on the Access Jet database engine. It can also import or link directly to data stored in other application and database. ये आपके क्वेश्चन आंसर फिनिश हो गए। अब आप लोग इसको अपनी कॉपी में नोट कर लीजिएगा, एक्सरसाइज कीजिएगा और बुक भी फिल कीजिएगा और लर्न कीजिएगा। और जिन बच्चों ने बुक्स और कॉपी परचेज नहीं करी है, हमारे दोनों स्कूल्स ओपन हैं, आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ आएँ। ऑफिस टाइम है 9 AM to 12 PM। आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ आए, बुक्स कॉपी परचेज करें। सी यू टुमारो नेक्स्ट क्लास। बाय, थैंक यू।